Welcome to the session on charting. First, we'll have to log into the Billings app by going to the wombomonline.com website. For this example, I'm going to use Sarah as a username and type in your username and password. Now, in this example, I'm trying to show you how to use the Billings app. I'm not teaching you how to use the Billings method. So the example that I use is not meant to be a correct application of Billings. So yeah, let's just keep that in mind. Here you can set the start date of your of when you've started to record your signs. So this girl Sarah met with her teacher last week and learnt the Billings method, and now she's starting to fill in her signs. On the first day, you can click here and record this date, and she felt dry. So I'll put down here in the sensation dry, and as a comment that she had antibiotics, and she contacted her teacher on that day. Save. So that's it. The first day has been recorded. And to record the second day, you can on the second day, let's say that she doesn't remember what her signs were. So she would just say ignore this date. And you'll notice the symbol comes up here, which means that she doesn't know what her signs were on that day. The following day, you can either click record this date, or you can click on the box down here. Now on this day, she had a discharge, so she'll put a white baby, and the sensation was slippery, and the appearance cloudy. Save. Now on the next day, she also had discharge, and it felt slippery. But if we don't put any sensation in, let's see what happens. You just click save, and it says this field is required. So the only requirement for filling in a day is the sensation. I'll just write here, slippery again. You'll notice that you're prompted with the word slippery. It prompts you only with words that you've used before. And appearance, we'll say clear, and save. Okay, let's say that back on this day, she's trying to get pregnant, she had intercourse. Now notice the symbols at the bottom. The heart signifies intercourse, pencil shows the comment that was made, and the blue phone means that a teacher was contacted. Now the next day, she felt dry, so she'll put a green baby. The sensation, dry, and save. And on the sixth day, she had heavy bleeding. Now this is just an example. So she had heavy bleeding, so she'll put the red sticker. And because it's the first day of heavy bleeding, it's the first day of her cycle. Sensation, be wet. Now you'll notice that the screen refreshes and only the current cycle is shown. So because we've said that a new cycle has begun, then only that day forward is shown. And the following day, let's say she also had heavy bleeding, let's say sensation, wet. So if you want to see the past cycle, then go to chart history and click on the down arrow and you'll see the previous cycle. This concludes our session for charting.